Hello students, I am Ekta. Students, rational numbers are everywhere in our daily lives. For example, think about measuring ingredients when you bake. If a recipe calls for 2 by 3 cup of flour and you want to double it, you need to multiply that fraction. Or consider filling up a water bottle. If you pour in 1 by 4 of a liter and then add another 1 by 4, you can add the fractions to see how much water you have now. Sometimes you may need to divide fractions too. If you have 3 by 4 of a chocolate bar and want to share it with 2 friends, you divide it into smaller parts. Knowing how to add, subtract, multiply and divide rational numbers helps you in cooking, sharing and measuring every day. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to understand how to add and subtract rational numbers with the same and different denominators. Learn to multiply and divide rational numbers using clear and simple methods. Recognize real-life examples of using rational numbers in daily activities. Find the reciprocal of rational numbers for division purposes. Keywords from this lesson are rational numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, denominator, numerator, reciprocal, additive inverse. Students, let us see addition of integers. Addition. Addition of two rational numbers with the same denominator. We can add it using a number line. Example, add 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. Solution, on the number line, we have to move right from 0 to 1 by 5 units and then move 2 by 5 units more to the right. You finish at 3 by 5. So, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. If we have to add two rational numbers whose denominators are same, then we simply add their numerators and the denominators remains the same. Example, add 3 by 11 and 7 by 11. Solution, as the denominator is the same, we can simply add their numerator. Three by 11 plus 7 by 11 is equal to 3 plus 7 by 11 is equal to 10 by 11. Addition of two rational numbers with different denominator. If we have to add two rational numbers with different denominators, then we have to take the LCM of denominators and find their equivalent rational numbers with the LCM as the denominator and then add them. Example, add 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. Solution, to add the two rational numbers, first we need to take the LCM of denominators, then find the equivalent rational numbers. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. 2 by 5 into 7 by 7 is equal to 14 by 35. 3 by 7 into 5 by 5 is equal to 15 by 35. 14 by 35 plus 15 by 35 is equal to 29 by 35. Additive inverse. Like integers, the additive inverse of rational numbers is also the same. A plus of minus A is equal to 0. This shows that the additive inverse of 3 by 7 is minus of 3 by 7. This shows that 3 by 7 plus of minus 3 by 7 is equal to 0. Now, let us see subtraction of integers. Subtraction. If we have to subtract two rational numbers, then we have to add the additive inverse of the rational number that is being subtracted to the other rational number. A minus B is equal to A plus of minus B. Example. Subtract 4 by 21 from 8 by 21. Solution. In the first method, we will simply subtract the numerator and the denominators remains the same. 8 by 21 minus 4 by 21 is equal to 8 minus 4 by 21 is equal to 4 by 21. In the second method, we will add the additive inverse of the second number to the first number. 8 by 21 minus 4 by 21 is equal to 8 by 21 plus of minus 4 by 21 is equal to 4 by 21. Students, now let us see the multiplication of integers. Multiplication. Multiplication of a rational number with a positive integer. To multiply a rational number with a positive integer, we simply multiply the integer with the numerator and the denominator remains the same. Example. 3 by 7 into 5 is equal to 3 into 5 by 7 is equal to 15 by 7. Multiply of a rational number with a negative integer. To multiply a rational number with a negative integer, we simply multiply the integer with the numerator and the denominator remains the same, and the resultant rational number will be a negative rational number. Example. 3 by 7 into minus 5 is equal to minus 3 into 5 by 7 is equal to minus 15 by 7. Multiply of a rational number with another rational number. To multiply a rational number with another rational number, we have to multiply the numerator of two rational numbers and multiply the denominator of the two rational numbers. The product of two rational numbers is equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. Example: multiply 3 by 7 and 5 by 11. Solution: 3 by 7 into 5 by 11 is equal to 3 into 5 by 7 into 11 is equal to 15 by 77. Children, finally we are going to see division of integers. Division. Reciprocal. Reciprocal is the multiplier of the given rational number which gives the product of 1. Reciprocal of A by B is B by A. Product of reciprocal. If we multiply the reciprocal of the rational number with that rational number, then the product will always be 1. Example: 4 by 7 into 7 by 4 is equal to 1. Division of rational number with another rational number. To divide a rational number with another rational number, we have to multiply the reciprocal of the rational number with the other rational number. Example: divide 3 by 7 divided 4 by 11. Solution: 3 by 7 divided 4 by 11 . 3 by 7 into 11 by 4 is equal to 33 by 28. Points to remember. Adding or subtracting rational numbers requires that their denominators are the same before adjusting the numerators. The additive inverse of a rational number is its opposite, resulting in a sum of 0. Multiplying two rational numbers involves multiplying their numerators together and their denominators together. Division by a rational number means multiplying by its reciprocal, which flips the numerator and denominator. Equivalent rational numbers can be formed by multiplying or dividing both the numerator and denominator by the same number. Thanks for watching.